Okay, but here's the good one. Verily I say unto you, all among them who know their hearts are honest and are broken, and their spirits contrite, and are willing to observe their covenants by sacrifice, yea, every sacrifice which I, the Lord, shall command, they are accepted of me. This is one of those comforting verses where it brings to mind the verse that we will be judged by our works according to the desires of our hearts. Where it's like, yes, our works are important, but what's even more important than the works is the intent of our heart, is the nature of our character, the attributes we develop, and who we are in our heart. And that's what I get out of this. Yes, it's important to observe our covenants, to make the necessary sacrifices that are asked of us. There is work involved, but there's a key word in there, which is willing, right? Willing to observe their covenants. The effort, right? And another Nelson quote, the Lord loves effort, right? That's what we're given here, is that if you're sincere in your efforts, right, all of the promised blessings are going to flow into you, the fruit of the Spirit and that eternal progression, right? It's going to manifest itself in you. And it's not something that happens in a day, right? This is something that happens over, in my opinion, I'm going to say it happens over lifetimes. But the starting point is entering the covenant path, making those covenants. In this case, very specifically talking about the covenant of law of sacrifice. But we make those covenants and we continue forward in that willingness. The same willingness we had to enter into them, we have to continue in that willingness. And this is straight up in the sacrament prayers, right? That we're willing to take upon ourselves the name of Christ. Right? When we do our baptismal interviews, are you willing to live these commandments? This willingness, like the desire of the heart, is so important because it is what is ultimately manifested, like what manifests in our spiritual growth.
Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.